Let me click here, guys. As you can see, we have all these scripts for free. Hello there people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox, absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without key. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called abloop.com, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So just a second. Go to your profile official in your browser and just go to your profile here and just copy your link. It's super easy. Let's get back to the art tool. Then you have paste button, just press paste and press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select scripts that you want to add to our account, guys. So I will select these 4 scripts. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and more websites around this. Abloop is only working Delta Executor website. So AP connected, nice, guys. Just scroll down and click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. So if you have this message, you're in the right way. So we're still waiting for the redirecting. So let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play Grow Garden. So let's see, guys. And guys, as you can see, I'm now in the game, and as you can see, we have this panel. So let me click here. Thank you for using Delta. This is amazing. So let me click here, guys. As you can see, we have all these scripts for free: Overfall, Forge Hub, Nihus, Soluna. So just click execute and watch the magic. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.